Scorpio, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace, and healing, abundance, and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is wisdom. I need you to work smart, not hard. Just because you're exhausted, you're tired, you worked your body to the bone today, does not mean that you were efficient, that you actually did the right thing that's best for you. Make sure you do what's best for you by working hard. Not working hard, but just working smart. You don't have to spend your whole entire life working. That is the trick. If you want to do that, you can elect yourself to do that. But make sure you fall in love with your purpose. That's the way you will fall in love with your service. And it doesn't take all day to provide your service, and you can actually enjoy what life has to bring for you. God has a plan for you. I live here now knowing that beauty is to come. I don't force things to happen faster than the universe has decided for me. I learn from my experiences, take small steps in faith, and succeed thanks to all of my efforts. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.